Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, December 9 and the time is around 4 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of Tesla here. This is a 30 minutes chart. Now we can see from this chart we ended with 2 and then from here we started to go down. And the move down here is currently within wave 3, and within wave 3 we may subdivide into another 5 waves. It is ending one of 3 right here, and now can be looking for a 3-ish rally in the form of an ABC, right? And as long as the rally stays below this 198 199, we should be looking for more downside again, right? So the idea here is that the decline in Tesla is not done yet, at least when looking at the shorter cycle, and it can continue to see more downside below 199. All right. Now if we zoom out and get some ideas where we are now in the larger time frame. Now this is the daily time frame. Now a couple of things I want to highlight. Now this is of course the all-time high 413. It's been going a long way since we top out in 2021. Okay, so we got this we got this what looks like the biggest swing out of all this decline, probably somewhere here, right? This is looking like the biggest swing here. So if you just simply measure the halfway swing here, now you can see we have reached what we call the 100% extension. Now this is a huge area because we're talking about the daily time frame between $90 all the way to $202, right? But the fact that we are already at this area suggests that this decline that started from 2021 November, that decline or that cycle could be complete sometimes, right? Now it's not, I mean, like it's very difficult for you to pick the exact low, but we know the area. This is already in the area where you might complete any time, and then we'll see a rally. When that is finally complete, you will see a decent rally, right? A decent rally in Tesla. All right, but focus now is in the shorter cycle. If I zoom down, if I go down on the 4-hour time frame now, okay, now all the labels, complete counts in different time frames can be found in the member area, right? In different time frames, so you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video if you like to check. Now my focus now is in the shorter cycle. You can see the last rally we got here, since we had a low in the November 23rd, right? That rally is clearly, I think without any doubt, right, this rally is only 3 waves, right? 1, 2, 3. So that what does that tell us? That tells us that actually it should have more downside, right? Because if this has already bottomed, you would expect the rally from here, it should be in the form of a 5 waves, right? 1 should be in the form of a 5 waves like this. But the fact that the last rally we got here was in 3, that is telling you most likely we're gonna continue to extend on the downside, because the rally is only corrective. So then, okay, the observation we got here is the last rally we got from November 22nd is only 3 waves, which is corrective. Second observation is if you go back to the 1 hour, this arrow is only black, it's not red. Why? Well, because we have not broken below the low. Because we need to break below the low here to confirm that this correction here is really done and we're going to extend. Okay, because if we are unable to break below the low, we can always do what we call a double correction, right? Double correction is basically is an ABC and then another ABC, double zigzag. So it could be, this could be your zigzag and then ending W here, and this is an X, and then you can have another double correction, like another zigzag like this. So the bottom line is, we know this is corrective, so most likely we're going to extend lower. That's observation number 1. Observation number 2, if we break below here, that will confirm this is really the end of the correction, not going to be doing double. But the other thing that we want to observe now is this decline here, right? Which is what we got here, this decline here. Now if we look at the subdivision, we got a nice divergence here, right? Usually it's a sign of wave 5, and we got this 1 2 3 4 5. So all in all, I think the decline looks pretty good as an impulsive structure, right? So then what that means is that because this rally was in a 3 waves corrective, and this decline looks like a 5 waves, even though we have not broken below here, which should be required to confirm we're not going to be doing double, but because this decline is a 5 waves, chances now are that as long as we don't break above this peak, this rally should fail, just like what we show here. This rally should fail in 3 swing or in 7 swing. Now the rally can be in the form of 7 swing or in the 3 swing APC, but as long as this level here is holding out, we don't break above here, then this rally should fail and we should continue to go down again, right? We should continue to go down and resume the downside. Okay, so that's kind of the idea here with Tesla. And yeah, as always, if you do want to check our service, we have other stocks and ETF indices as well in our service. Feel free to check our 14 days trial. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.